told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked.
Alright, I know pretty much the SuperJet has been finished completely and all that, and this is the end game right here, but there was one more little thing that I've kind of been contemplating, and that is the chin pad. Changing it, I don't know if y'all can see, here I'll get it. Right here, it's got a little pinhole, and one here, and another one there, and this is the original chin pad, and I just used that vinyl paint and coated it with some black, so it was that original like gray kind of color. But I went and got with Jet Trim, since they've already done all of the other trim for the ski, and I got them to make one of these. So we're gonna get this pulled off of here and go wrap it and get it put on here, and then at that point the whole ski should be done and no more mods as far as anytime soon that I plan on doing. Just riding. Well, this is the new one. It goes along with everything else on the SuperJet as far as the jet trim's concerned. So just have to get this thing stapled on, get that covered up. Sounds simple. This is pretty straightforward. It's really not a whole lot of, I shouldn't have to heat up really anything to get this pulled the way it needs to. Just got to get started up here first, get this side stapled. So just make sure y'all are doing this. If you do it yourself, use stainless steel staples. Let me see, this is Arrow stainless steel staples. That's the ones that I use, and then I got this pneumatic stapler. That's what I like to use when I'm doing these kind of things. Works great.
You told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
All right, finished it up. Very happy with it. I got everything as straight as it can be. Pulled real tight. The only thing, I feel like they didn't leave much material right in the corners. You can see this is the original, and then there's this area. Both sides are the same way. They're super close, and I can't pull any more. I mean, it's tight, so that would be my only complaint. But looks good. Can't wait to get it installed on there and see how it matches everything else. But if you're gonna do this, this is the staples that I used. Make sure you do get the stainless steel, 1/4 inch what I went with. And this is the little staple gun that I've got. It works amazing. I know you can do with your manual ones and all that, but man, does this right here, this makes doing stuff like this so much easier. So yep, that's it. We're gonna get this thing stuck on there and get to riding the SuperJet again.
I need help, I'm feeling right down, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm winning, but I can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I'm more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If you're still out here, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your eyes fade not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up all my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of the way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.